Today we are going to talk about designing PowerPoint slides. By default, PowerPoint gives you several design templates. You can select any design you like under the Design tab, and it will adjust automatically to adapt your content in the slide. For example, each design will give you a different touch and it will automatically adapt your content in the slide. You can drop down to see more of that. You can select any of the design templates from here. Now that we know we have this available for us, we certainly know that many people will be using this, and it is mainstream that you can find this in many presentations and it's not that interesting. It is ideal to design your own template or your own design. To do that, we will select the blank office theme, and then we will look into few ways we can design the presentation. For example, here I will write my title and then my name. The default font and size and everything is not bad, but we can try to make it better. For that, we will change the font size and font. Railway, and then we can say we want to keep it bold as that is our title and want to make it bigger. I want my title to be all caps, so I will select uppercase and then I will give it a shadow. Let's make the box smaller so that it will be easier for us to align. Now let's duplicate it to create a new design out of it. Let's add a shape. Now let's send it back so that we will get our text visible. We can make this colorful. Maybe we will fill it with a lighter color. We can make it smaller. And then we can insert another shape, for example a square, and make it white and send it to back. We will bring it to front of shape. Then we can make the border as this. Let's center that. And now we have to move our text as it is smaller than before. Let's adjust the transparency so that we can see if the alignment of this shape is good or not. Under Shape Format tab, you can find Format Pen. From there you can go over here and adjust the transparency. Now we can see the slide. We can use edit points. So select that and now you can edit the points directly. Okay. Now we can say it's perfectly touching corner to corner. So it will be giving us the right shape. Let's say we are okay with this design. So let's try to change it more. Duplicate it. And let's remove the background and this one as well. And then we will try to go with a different approach. Instead of name, we'll be using a random text. If you want to learn more about how I got the random text over here, you can watch the video generating random text. You can find the link to the video in the description below. Now we want a line here. Let's insert a line. Say this much. And yes. So that is a design idea for your PowerPoint presentation. We will continue with more designs inshallah. Hope to see you in next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.